today's program, I'll be speaking to Mr. Avtar Bhogal. He's an Indian film director based here in London and in Mumbai. He's considered by many to be a maverick film director because he makes films about issues that other people don't want to talk about. His career spans over 40 years, and he's made films such as Aaj Ki Aurat and Zakhmi Aurat, which starred Dimple Kapadia and Raj Babbar. His latest movie is Honor Killing.
To save the honor of my family and my community, I killed her.
A murder can never be an act of honor.
आके नया स्यापा पा देता है साडे लिए।
मैं कुरान पे हाथ रख के कसम खाती हूँ कि मेरा सनी के साथ मोहब्बत का पाक रिश्ता है।
I'd like to introduce Mr. Avtar Bhogal. Avtarji, welcome to the program and thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So Avtarji, you've worked in the film industry for a long time. Can you tell us how you got into filmmaking?
In my childhood, as everybody, I used to go on to see films, and I saw a clip. I was very small, 8 or 10, and I laughed my heart out. And I remembered the visuals. It was black and white in Nanyuki in Kenya. That's where I was brought up. Born in Punjab, but brought up in Kenya and then London. And this clip I didn't know for years as I was growing up, but I never forgot about it. And then I discovered it was the Gold Rush, Charlie Chaplin. So I have been fond of laughing from that time, and I fell in love with cinema.
And then you came to London?
Yeah, I came to London to study because there were no film schools. Pune Institute hadn't started. I had my dear friends, we all wanted to get into films. So we came to London and he joined cinematography, I went into films, direction. And I met Mr. Devanand when he used to visit him at that time too, with Mr. Amarjeet, director of Hum Dono. So I knew his father, who settled in Birmingham, so he introduced me. Then we met at a party, and Mr. Devanand asked me, after doing this course, you going to Hollywood? I asked him in Hindi, "Kaalon ko lete hain?" And he laughed. And he said, when you finish, you come to Bombay and see me. That's what I did, and he was about to start a film directed by himself. So he took me on as an assistant. And a lovely man, the best star they can ever have.
Oh, what a fantastic opportunity.
Oh, yes, fantastic. People were in awe of us. We get that kind of standing. This Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor and Devanand magic.
So you never wanted to go into acting?
Acting, see, the real master in cinema is the director and the writer. Writing, I couldn't go because somehow I'm fond of reading, but that needs a different kind of talent. But then I had writers who would write for me, so I could make movies.
Okay, fantastic. So what influenced you to make your latest film about honor-based violence?
This violence against women has always disturbed me. You pick up any paper even today, I don't know why this is happening. Zakhmi Aurat came out of the newspapers in India, Times of India. I used to read 5-year girl, 10-year girl raped, and this very obnoxious kind of thing, it stayed with me. And then I said I must make a film like that, and luckily I could create a story where Dimple got interested. Because without Dimple this wasn't possible. So more people saw it and the message got across. And the same thing, honor killing, it's a very shameful thing. I'll tell you, it stayed with me for 40 years, for 45 years. Here even then the Muslims and Sikhs and Punjabis mostly would kill the girls for falling in love. Now all the religions are talking about love and peace. And you are here, you kill a girl for falling in love. And this was disturbing me, and the British press would exploit it with big photographs of us. This man has killed this one, not doing anything about it. I used to be very ashamed of this. I said, "Ye kya karte hain? Yahan pe, they carry on doing this kind of thing." So this stayed with me, and then I had to say something about this too.
And so how long was this in development?
Development was just the basic idea has been there for 40 years.
Okay.
So it stayed there. So whenever I thought, so when my brother wanted to make a film, I told him, we want to do something in Punjab or India. I said, no, I'll do something if you want to do, because films cost a lot of money. But then this idea was there. A lot of people won't touch it. People have talked to me even now, this editor. He said, why you make this? I said, why not this? But then it's done in a sugar-coated kind of thing. I don't say, you can't tell them as it is, because then nobody will come and see it.
Yeah.
It is properly done in a Bollywood kind of drama, but still the message gets through, what I want to say.
And can you give us a brief synopsis of the story?
Synopsis is about a Muslim family. I can't disclose too much because then I want you to enjoy the film too. And a Sikh family. And the boy and the girl fall in love, and that friction brings everything to a boil. And there's an Englishman who is friendly to both of them, a Sikh family and a Muslim family, and he tries to knock some sense into them. It is their life. They have fallen in love, let them go. And that's true. Why should you? I have lived my life, and then my daughter wants to marry somebody, and it's her life, really. I have lived. She is going to make a mistake, she is going to suffer. I can advise, but I cannot force. This is not my life. My life I'm living, I have lived. The youth has their own life. Let them be. Just educate them well, that's all.
Your films usually portray strong women, which is great to see. Can you tell us what influenced you to do this?
I'm glad now the women are coming into their own now, because they get educated and they're working. Or actually, Indian women is suppressed, 99% still. This I have experienced in my family, my mother and others, and other families. Women are not given the same freedom. The equality is when a woman gets the same rights as a man. They are not there. This is something, that's what Sikhism is. Sikhs are not really following what Nanak has said, equality. So this has stayed with me, and I believe in it completely. Women have the same rights as a man. They're equal to, maybe more than equal.
Absolutely. So you feel so strong about it that you
I do. Look, I've seen them suffering from childhood to adulthood. Still, you go to, forget the cities in Bombay and Delhi, go to village, anywhere. You can see the women doing the work and seeing the man doing it, you will know. Discrimination is there.
Absolutely. Did you face any difficulties in making this film?
No difficulty in making the film, but selling it positively. The whole thing has changed, and the people were not very interested in honor killing pe hai. Is he trying to expose us or doing what? But I showed the film to them, they liked it, then they would suggest we change the name. I said, how does it matter? The film is on honor killing. You change the name, when they see a film, it's on honor killing.
ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਸੋਚੇਗਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਫਸਾਇਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਾਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਛੱਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਬਰਦਾਸ਼ਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਉਹ ਪਠਾਨ ਹੈ ਪਠਾਨ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੋ ਦੇਗਾ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ
मुबारक मुबारक। लाखों हीरे मर गई, मैं भी मर जाऊंगी।
हमारा यहाँ कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता।
Before you, they were interested, but you say नाम बड़ा खतरनाक लगता है. And the people and the theatre people, later on I discovered why they were praising the film and not interested to put it in the theatres. They somehow thought that this film will create a problem of indiscipline and some violence happening, and the theatres might be attacked by certain community.
Right.
So this was in their mind, but it's nothing like this. This film got censored in India without a cut. It got censored in UK without a cut. So censors don't allow a film to go out to create a problem between the audience.
Okay, so you're still finding difficulties in getting it promoted in certain countries?
I have studied this very deeply because my films did face problem. Even Zakhmi had a sensor problem. But there was a lady in censor board, I remember, I don't know, it's very silly of me not to remember her name, because she suggested Avatar take it to Delhi to tribunal. I came out and I went, and then I was walking out, I went back, I said, hello, are you putting the rope around my neck? He said, what are you saying? I said, दो चीज कर सकते हो वहाँ पास कर देंगे या they have clause number 6 ban कर देते हैं. But the producer was new, so I didn't tell him anything. I said I want to go to Delhi, and he went with me. And there was Mr. Judge, Mr. Mishra. He was a Punjabi. I thought he was a UP. He turned out to be from Hoshiarpur. He said, साढ़े 76 को आएगा तू बहुत पास फिल्म अच्छी बनाना तो. Then he passed it to the cut, but he gave us A. He said you can release it and then come back for you.
Okay.
And it got released. So I discovered if you make Hasna, Gana, Bajana film, they don't bother about it, and they just censor it.
Right.
When you're talking about something, even the board members, chokani ho jate hain, they get little, what's happening here?
So you have some famous names such as Prem Chopra, Gulshan Grover, and Javed Sheikh in the film Honor Killing.
Yes, and Mr. Tom Alter.
And Tom Alter. How did you manage to get them to agree to take part?
When you are in films, it's not very difficult. Except the only thing you have to discuss is money.
Okay.
So, but they are known to me. They have worked with me earlier. But Prem Chopra wanted to do this role, and he plays villain in most of the films.
Yeah.
But as a human being in private life, he's a gem of a person. Same goes for Tom Alter, Superman. They're my friends for life now. And Javed is a very well-behaved actor from Pakistan, and so is Zara. But Zara delayed our shooting because she didn't get a visa for a long time. She had a problem with the embassy there.
Okay.
But then she landed and we finished the work. But Gulshan Grover is another known actor in the film. The reason for taking 2 actors from Pakistan and a couple of from India, this concerns us and them too.
Yes.
This happens in Pakistan. Honor killing happens in Lebanon, Iraq, Egypt. It's happening between Muslim to Muslims.
Yeah.
6 to 6. So look at that. What kind of honor it is? There is no honor in killing, any killing.
And so that's why you chose a cast which was almost
Yes.
Yeah.
And these actors agreed with me to what I'm trying to say. They were very happily, even Pakistanis, become a part of it.
Okay. And finally, Avtarji, could you say a few words to encourage the viewers to go and see the film Honor Killing?
It is about them. I expect them to come and see it. I request them to come and see it. And they like it. What they like it, tell others. What they don't like it, they can write to me. I'm open to their suggestions. But this is a film every Pakistani, every Indian, and our British friends should see it too.
Thank
you see it too, please.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Avtarji.
We'll
Thank
meet
you.
you again. Thank you.
ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਬਾਹੀ